Let me show you something. What if I told you that you can create AI images directly inside WhatsApp? No design apps, no complicated AI tools, no editing software. Just type a message like create a futuristic YouTube studio with neon lights. And within seconds, the image appears. But it gets better. You can edit images by sending another message. Want the room darker? Want a different background? Want to add more objects? Just tell the AI. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to generate AI images using WhatsApp's Meta AI and how to edit them step by step. And by the end of this video, I'm gonna show you how to turn your WhatsApp into a personal AI image generator. Open your WhatsApp. If you don't have WhatsApp, make sure you download it, and if you have it, make sure that it's up to date. It's updated. You can go to either your Apple Store or Google Play Store to update WhatsApp. Now look for Meta AI. There are a few ways to find it. By default, you may find an icon, this icon that you're looking at, or if you don't see the icon, then you may need to search Meta AI in your search, and you'll open the chat. Once the chat is open, it looks like any other normal WhatsApp conversation, but instead of texting a friend, you're chatting with an AI assistant. Now let's create our first image. Inside the chat, type something like create an image of a futuristic smartphone floating in space, then send the message. Within a few seconds, Meta AI will generate an image based on your description. And just like that, you've created an AI image without leaving WhatsApp. Now here is a simple trick. The more details you add in your prompt, the better the results. For example, instead of typing create a city, try something like create a futuristic city at night with neon lights and flying cars. Now, since AI has some information to work with, then the image looks impressive. Here is the part that makes this more powerful. You can edit images by just sending another message. Let's say the image shows a futuristic city at night. You could reply with something like change the scene to daytime, and Meta will regenerate the image with daylight. You could also say things like add more skyscrapers. Make the sky purple. Turn the image into cartoon style. Every message tells the AI how to modify the image. So instead of editing manually, you're giving instructions. It's almost like having a designer inside your chat. Meta AI can also work with photos. For example, you could upload a photo of a room, then send a message like remove the chair. Or change the wall color to white. Or even add modern lighting. WhatsApp becomes more than just a messaging app. It becomes a simple AI editing tool. Tips for better AI images. If you want better images, here are a few tips. First, you need to be descriptive. For example, mention details like lighting, colors, environment, or style. Then second, experiment with styles like realistic, cartoon, cyberpunk, minimalistic. Third, try different prompts until you get the results you want. Remember, AI improves when the instructions are more clear. WhatsApp is slowly becoming more than a messaging platform. With Meta AI, you can now generate images, edit photos, and experiment with AI creatively directly inside your chats. And the best part is, it is totally free of charge. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And please like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, blessings.